Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. My name is Howard. If you're new here, I must start off by saying subscribe. We're going to 1K, so subscribe if you're new. And if you know nobody where not subscribe yet, link them and say, yo, why not subscribe? Because why not? If you've been here before, we family over here. We family already, so just like. 5, 4, 3, 2. You like already. Big up yourself. Um, I don't know how to get into the topic. We're going to go down a different avenue and just touch on something more personal or something that hits base more. So quick update on just me on a whole. Uh, I'm not okay. I'm not okay. Haven't been okay in a little bit. You see me? So it's been kind of hard not coming up with content because like I have stuff put down, but it's been hard getting the energy to shoot. You see me? But don't worry, I'm gonna get it done. Because I tell myself that I'm gonna get it done because as small as it seems to me, 900 are enough people. You see me? 900 people are enough people, and I appreciate the fact that you guys are here to just like see what I have to offer. I didn't plan a script for this video or anything because I just wanted to talk to you guys freely. I realized that you guys like Why Not Wednesdays and love that because that's me. That's as in like I love doing it. You see me? I came up with Why Not Wednesday because I wanted to give you guys a different way to like just is it should I say understand me more or just to be more comfortable over here or just know that we're like I don't know how to put it, but just like a way to let you guys know that yo we can communicate over here so freely. You see me? So like that's why I always tell you guys to comment because I swear to you it makes my day sometimes when I see you guys comment. You see me? Like when we reading a comment and get a chance to reply and interact, it make my day because I'm just like, yo, I did not force these people to subscribe. I didn't force them to comment. And the fact that you guys are here and I've just been like showing a lot of support, I appreciate it. You see me? So keep it up and we're going to 1K. I'm trying to hit 1K by the end of, April. By the end of April, I'm trying to hit 1K. So I can't do it without the help of you guys. So if I did 900, 100, I don't know, get somebody to subscribe and we're gonna reach 1,000 because that's how math works. So I've just been beating around the bush. Let me get into it. I don't want this to be a long video, so let me get into it. My energy has been low. A lot's been going on for the past couple months. A lot's been going on. So just not even just the time, but the energy to shoot. Sometimes I don't have it, but I still push because I want to do this. I want to do YouTube. I like doing it, and I know something when me see face oily. I know something when me see myself. I stop doing for now. You see me? So thanks for sticking around, guys, and thanks for the support. Guys, just know that it's okay not to be okay. I hear this a lot, but one of my friends literally like give me some perspective. Like it's okay to not to be okay. I know a lot of us over here, and if you do, it's fine because we're only human. But a lot of us like we idolize people on social media, and we not understand say social media are just the highlights of people's life. It's weird. I keep looking away because I feel like when I look straight, I'm making eye contact, and I'm genuinely like I'm not sure how to have this conversation because it's just going to require you guys knowing, just like me on a personal level, and it's scary, and that's me being genuine with you guys. But yeah, it's okay not to be okay. It's okay to feel. It's okay to just like completely break down sometimes. But I don't know if this is the good thing. This is a good thing, but something I always ensure that I practice is just like when I'm having bad times, I slow down, but I never stop. So like, guys, it's okay to slow down sometimes and like just like allow yourself to feel and go through what you go through. Currently, I know there's a lot going on. A lot going on. Social media has been like tense and heavy from the other day. Corona cases still a go up. We can't go nowhere. School still sucks. Like there's just a lot going on, and it's okay to feel like shit during all of this. To be honest, I just don't want persons to feel like they're alone. So reach out to somebody, and if nobody did it around you, I always leave the link to my IG in the description. Link me, we can have a conversation. If you don't have to tell me exactly what it is, but we can just talk. You see me? We can just talk. Remind yourself this, like, oh, an activity that I do or like somebody put me onto since recently, and I think it will help. So if you're going through a bad time, like if you're going through a bad time, just try this out, and if it works, let me know. Make a list, like get an actual list of things that make you happy. You see me? I made my list like last week. So make a list of things that make you happy, like genuinely happy, and incorporate things from that list in your life more often. You see me? It works. It helps. It works. And as you go along, update that list. Like update it, and keep reminding yourself what make you happy. With me, it's phone calls. I like being on phone calls. Genuinely, like if you're a friend, I'm sorry, bust ears. Like not even phone calls, video calls. I like. So yeah, like I be calling people a lot from the other day, just to talk, because some of your problems are bigger than you know, but God not give you more than we can manage, right? So this is literally just me letting you guys know that I'm not okay. It's okay not to be okay, and if you're ever feeling down, remind yourself, say yo, like you're the shit. You are the shit. You see me? And comment down below. I'll appreciate some positivity. If I'm being honest, I'll just appreciate some positive comments, and it'll probably make my day. I'm not dying, guys. I'm not dying, but I've been really low. A lot's been going on. I don't want like disclose that information, but a lot's been going on. Read my personal life, and as it is, like just everything, school, just everything, shit not good right now. But I'll still be getting you guys content. But last week I didn't post because I did shoot a video, you know. When I was watching the video, I was just like, nah, nigga, you faking it. And I don't want to bring that to you guys. I was faking the energy. I was like just trying to look happy for you guys. And me understand, say, if we are going to build this community and grow together, we don't have to go know when we're not good sometimes. And that's just why I did this video. Because I'm making know, so like, I'm not 100, like, I'm not 100 right now. But I try. Because as we say, don't stop, but give yourself a break sometimes. So don't stop, but just slow down. Today is Friday. I'm going to post the video tomorrow. So big up yourself. We're still up on lockdown. Crazy. I hope it works. I just want the place free up. But honestly, guys, today I gave myself a total break from social media. Like I woke up in a bad mood. I woke up feeling down, like really down, and that's why I'm even doing this video in like my comfort clothes. I'm just trying to put myself at ease to tell you guys all of this. I woke up in a bad mood this morning, and I decided that just gonna reply to some texts and then put on my phone. So I turn off my Wi-Fi, and I put my phone on airplane mode. I just put it on for the entire day, and It was hard at first. It was hard at first, but as the hours went by, it became easier. If I'm being honest, it became easier. And it felt good. It felt good to just feel and just like sit in my thoughts. That helps sometimes. Even though you say like, when you think it yourself into sadness, sometimes you have to feel the sadness there, because a wise person once told me that the best way to get over an emotion is to go through it. And sometimes you have to just allow yourself to go through the emotion, like feel everything, express, ball, like break down, ball. I'm not saying ball to nobody, but sometimes if you feel for ball, just do what me do. Lock off your light, lock your door in your room, go under the sheet and ball. Like, it works. Sometimes I just want to let out some stuff. But yeah, guys, general consensus, it's okay not to be okay. And just do a lot of self-searching. As in, like, think about you, think about what you want, think about ways to make you better. You see me? I mean, all like sometimes you have to just take a break from everybody, your friend, them, your peer. Like, just take a break and just like be one with yourself and just feel everything we have to feel for the day or the month, however long you want it to be. Personally, I like people, right? I'm not even going to lie. Hate school, but I like people. So I'm not going to like close myself off from people every day. That's not me, but sometimes you need a break. Sometimes you need a break with all that's been going on. Shit's heavy. You see me? I don't know what else to say. But if you're ever feeling down, just remember, say, yo, you don't have to be alone. Like, people there, as much as I feel like, say, yo, some person don't care, them care, and them want the best for you. You see me? You probably just can't see it. Them probably know, say, the best of them seeing for you is not what you want, but that's just miscommunication. And sometimes communication helps to fix miscommunication. So express more. For me, I write. I write poems. I listen to music. Just now I came off the treadmill. I did just 33 minutes on it, but just because like I just wanted to like space out, so I was listening to music and just running on the treadmill, and watch movie, because I was on my phone at all today. Watch movie, take a long shower, just do things to make you feel nice. Would that be go getting ice cream? Would that be talking to friends? Would that be you sleeping? Nah, get about it, bed. But just do things to make you feel nice. You see me? If you want to take a day in the bed, that's fine. But do things to make you feel nice and understand, say, you're only human and that's how you're feeling, all that you're feeling. So, with that being said, thanks for listening to what I had to say. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Big up on yourself. Be gone.